Do-it-yourself Del, and today we have a special treat for you. We're making an ultra dessert. We've got 3 elements here. Each one of them is extremely healthy. We've got unsweetened applesauce, and if you see the ingredients list here, you're looking at a whole bunch of zeros. Now, you can't get healthier than that. And then here again, we've got the fat-free yogurt, which we've used in the past for baking cake. And we have healthy milk, unsweetened original almond milk. We'll pour in for the 1/2 cup. This thing is slippery, by the way. The yogurt. I suppose we could be calling this a frozen yogurt treat. I was going to try to pass it off as ice cream, but it's just a matter of technicalities how you view things. Our healthy applesauce. Now, opener here. Okay. Oh, and by the way, we're going to freeze this, and so let's get this applesauce in there. And if you're going to do this at home, you might want to adjust things a little bit. If you want a thicker consistency, maybe a little less milk, maybe 1/3 cup of milk, or maybe even a little bit more of that applesauce. Let's just check with the one. I can see right away that's changing the consistency of it. And just dump it in, and it's going to need a little help. Bet you Julia Child never did this. Okay, so there again, I think this consistency is a lot better. And we're going to put it in the freezer. So we're going to put this in the freezer. We'll give it some time to heat it up a little bit with one or both of these. You might say they're healthy as well. Do it yourself, Del. Here we're continuing with our ultra healthy snack project to see if it's ice cream or not. So I think it's going to be more on the yogurt side. But here it is. It's nice and cold. Here's the consistency of it. It's pretty milky. So I guess we should probably be pouring it in some kind of a dish. But what about my my topping?
Yeah, you can put your topping in.
Yeah, put it in the middle.
Just in case. There. Just in case. Get a little bit of this. I mean a little. This isn't too bad. Not bad. We made this ourselves, and it's healthy, and it still tastes pretty good. So
it's kind of like a pudding now.
Yeah, it's kind of like a pudding.
Good.
But it is nice and cold. The applesauce taste is not killing me, and so either way, I think it would taste good with the topping on it. Get a little bit of it there. And on TV, topping. There you go.
Oh.
And
you're just basically eating topping.
what? Not enough topping?
No, too much.
Try some of this. That's gonna go right away. And that one's almost full. But yeah. So what we figured would be kind of yogurty type dessert is it's more creamy.
Yeah, it's like a cold soup.
Yeah.
Ultra cream.
I wouldn't call it like a milkshake or anything like that, but it is kind of a fun, sporty, light, refreshing dessert kind of item. And I don't know if it has electrolytes in it. I didn't see any in the ingredients, but yeah. And I think something too like this probably belongs more in a dish than on a plate. We put it on a plate just to show you. But I, for one, am pretty happy about the way this did. You saw we put in extra applesauce, and I can't taste it in here a little bit, but and also you saw the consistency of it when we stirred it up. If I had anything to do, I would probably put in something to thicken up the consistency. So that would be something different in that. Had to redo it, but as far as the taste goes, I have absolutely zero problems with it. And I wasn't expecting anything. Wasn't expecting anything good, because it's just too much of a far out idea that this, just with these ingredients, were gonna work good for something that could be a dessert. And this could go with cake. It could go. You can pour it on the cake if you want, and
Or you could pour it in
fruit
the cake.
like
Inside.
strawberries or something, whipped cream.
Instead of milk and cereal, you could use this.
I don't know about that, but I wouldn't be averse to that. I could think of worse things to put on cereal. And the bottom line is too, it's healthy. It's just unbelievably healthy. There's just nothing bad in there for you. And so, enough to do about that. Do it yourself, Del. Asking you to please subscribe and comment, and to thumb up and share.